Hello and welcome to another episode from Ken Training, where we want to train you to tackle projects like this one on your own. Today's project is going to be on a Samsung natural gas dryer on how you take the belt off and on of the drum. So I'm going to show you everything there is to know about the belt for the drum belt for a Samsung gas dryer. Let's get to it. And you have to have a good grip on this, but we're going to, okay, let's get the belt. The belt has to come under here, like so. And then you gotta lift up on this. Wow. While you get that underneath. So there it is right there, and now this should turn, and you should be able to have a drum turning on you. So it's a little bit of a challenge to do this, but not too terrible. So we're good to go for the belt. Spring tension is on. Our limit switch, which is right here. There's your limit switch, and that's what gets energized when you break your belt. But we don't have a broken belt. Everything is good. The belt is on. Everything is fine. Now we're going to put the tube on here, which is this vent tube, and that needs to correspond and intersect up at the other end right there. We're going to put that on. Right there. There you go. And now make sure that we're good there. Everything is fine. So now we can go ahead and put the rear door assembly on. And so here is the rear door. There are 4 screws. And this rear door, this slot has to get matched right inside there. This needs to match with this 100%, and then this comes up. There's a little tab here that goes down, and it just fits right in. Now we're going to go ahead and put the screws on, make sure everything's nice and snug.